Me need 3 fork, 2 food week, dog. 12 spliff a roll for the day when me feel calm. But if me no feel calm, do the maths real fast. Vybz kitchen at the place where me speed on. Cook, give me on any boy. Me can't get the right food no matter how me try. Vybz have the recipe, everything me like. A mad thing when Stella make the fire light. Me pocket fully charged, touch the road, our time. Lace up me clocks, food fast, brain paranoid. The YouTube channel active.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel, and for this video I'm going to be making curry oxtail. But before we get into the video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. As you can see, I have my oxtail already washed with vinegar, so now I'm going to season it. First, I have my Maggie all-purpose seasoning. Maggie chicken seasoning, Grace oxtail seasoning, Creole seasoning, some Sazon, onion powder, garlic powder. I'm going to add some ginger, you can use powdered ginger, or you can just use a grater to grate the ginger into it, because when it's fine you won't taste anything, but if you put the whole pieces in there, that's where it's at. Because when you bite into ginger, it ain't good. I don't like it. Grace all-purpose seasoning, and then I'm going to add some curry powder. Two different curry powders. One is Approx, one is Chief. Now for the longest, Approx was our go-to, but honestly, I think I like Chief a little bit better. Next, I'm going to add green seasoning, and that is scallion, onion, garlic, bell pepper, thyme, and habanero pepper. Almost forgot that one. Okay. I'm still going to cut some more onion. Tell you, natural seasoning can never be too much for me. I'm going to add some thyme and also some scallion. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is sear the oxtail on both sides. and I'm using the instant pot, so I'm just going to use the saute option. Alright, so to the bowl that you seasoned the oxtail in, you want to fill it with water so you can get all the seasonings, and then we're going to pour that over the oxtail. Alright, so now I'm going to pressure it in the instant pot for 35 minutes. So it's still not soft enough, so I'm gonna pressure it for another, I'm gonna say 15 minutes. All right, so let's see. See? Now it's time to transfer this to the pot. You're going to heat your oil and then add a teaspoon of curry and burn it before adding the oxtail to the pot. Next, I'm going to make what we call spinners and add them to the pot. It's just dumplings, flour, salt, water, make it into a dough, and then I'll show you how to make it and then add it to the pot, and this is optional. Alright, so I have my flour. I'm going to add a little bit of salt, combine, and then I'm just going to add water to make the dough. Alright, so this is what the dough looks like. So now all you have to do is take a small piece, roll it like this. Well, obviously it needs to look a little bit neater, but yeah, that's basically what we call spinners. So, I told y'all before, oxtail is not oxtail without. So the next and final step is adding butter beans. Look at that. Let's taste it. I knew this was gonna be bomb. Curry, anything is good, but oxtail, you already know it's gonna be good.
Vybz kitchen are the place where me there now. We get the nicest food when the fire out. The pepper hot, God know what a bread.